Outbound dialing, interactive voice response, attractive options for reaching large numbers of customers for appointment reminders, collections, mass notifications, and more, while reducing agent interaction and call center costs. But the days of leaving a static message on a home phone are long gone. Today, customers prefer being contacted on a mobile device, sometimes by text or email. And who has time for a callback? What you need are outbound and interactive communications, a much broader technology that reaches your customers wherever and however it's most effective, with real-time, personalized dynamic content and options for self-service response, minimizing the need for live calls and increasing customer satisfaction through convenience. Micro Automation, an award-winning leader in call center technology since 1991, has been offering such expanded services to customers for the past several years. We use this vast experience to implement outbound communications based on best practices that are beneficial to you and not intrusive to your customers. Here are just a few examples. Rapid Response is an alarm company that monitors home security systems, medical devices, and businesses. We developed templates for calls that provide real-time responses to remote alarms and allow access to customer and alarm databases. Health Dialogue develops proactive appointment reminders, as well as targeted information for patients about managing their particular condition, including an option to be transferred to a health coach. Participating patients are less likely to incur large medical claims later on, resulting in cost avoidance for Health Dialogue's clients. To reduce the cost of collections and missed appointments, Washington's Suburban Sanitary Commission engaged Micro Automation to develop two proactive solutions. One for notifying customers of past due amounts and impending service termination with an option to pay by phone, and another for appointment verification and rescheduling. Comcast had a number of critical business issues they wanted addressed, including reducing call types that cause peak volume to the call center. The mass notification of a digital cable guide upgrade minimized the number of inbound queries and enabled agent staff planning based on analytics. And because they reached 300,000 customers a day, the program rollout was reduced from 1 year to a few months. The collections campaign reached over 77% of customers with personalized information and enabled them to pay through the system, reducing both the number of accounts that needed to be sent to collections and call center interactions. Customers considered such automated calls less intrusive than calls from live agents. And the appointment reminder reroutes technicians if no one picks up and allows customers who answer a self-service rescheduling option. Because the system accesses real-time data, including cancellations, customers are offered the closest available opening, in some cases later that same day. This shortened the customer's 4-hour appointment window dramatically and increased the number of technician calls completed daily. We've also developed solutions that offer new products with self-service payment options, notifications via text and email, and IVR solutions for many other industries. So if you want the latest technology combined with the expertise needed to produce real results from your outbound campaigns, give us a call.